What up, craft leads? Are you tired of the same old when it comes to Valentine's Day gift giving presentation? Well, check out this DIY Valentine's Day rose bush made completely out of things that we found in the Dollar Tree, okay? Now, everything that we used in today's video, I'll leave a list of that in the description box down below. That's pretty much it. Let's hop into it. Okay, first thing we want to do is hot glue our bowls together. Next, we can hot glue 2 styrofoam blocks together. Now, we can break a broomstick in half and push it into our styrofoam blocks, making sure that the part that the broom head goes onto is sticking up. Then, we can hot glue that bad boy inside of our bucket. Okay, now we can take a mop head and remove all of the strings from it. Then we can hot glue that on top of our bowl, making sure that the part that the broom handle goes into is sticking up. Next, we added a few pieces of duct tape just to help with stability. Okay, next I began taking our garland and our hot glue and wrapping it around our bowls, covering the entire area up. Now this turned out to be slightly a mistake, but you'll find out about that next. Alright, and when you finish hot gluing, you should have something that looks like this, making sure that the bottom of that mop head is pointing up, is sticking out. Now we can take 2 disposable plates and cut the edges off, kind of making a ear shape. And then we want to take our tinsel and begin hot gluing and wrap it around our plates. Now this is where the mistake came in. Don't be an idiot like me. Hot glue the plates onto your bowls before you add tinsel to anything. And when you finish, you should have something that looks like this. Now we can start hot gluing our ear shapes onto our tinsel head. And once everything is glued down, you should have something that looks like this. Now we were going for a Minnie Mouse kind of look at first, but it also looks like a heart. You can go anywhere with this. Next, we were able to cut a couple of strips out of our black plastic tablecloth, and we were able to hot glue them together to makeshift ourselves a little bow. We also found these foam flowers in the Dollar Tree, so we hot glued a couple of those onto our bush. Now we can start adding our gifts to our bucket, and then we can start hot gluing our bow into our placement of choice. I think this turned out really great, especially because everything except for the glue gun and the glue sticks came from the Dollar Tree. Now, if you plan on making this craft, let me know in the comment section down below. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you like this video, please consider hitting that like and that share button. Head over to the Jazz and Marty Facebook page where I post updates on DIY and craft videos. And like that, this will be the end. Peace.